National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wright's Settlement, or near Buna, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Devil's Pocket around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fields and meet around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.